In this video, we're going to be creating our intro part 2 in Onshape. So we're going to go to Onshape, we're going to start a sketch, and I'm going to start a sketch on the top face. As we look at our piece here, this top view shows us a ton of information. It shows us the diameters of the small circles, the large circles, the distance between the center points, the overall length and width. And then, our front view here shows us the difference in heights and those exact dimensions. So where do we even start with this? And again, there's a bunch of different correct ways to start a drawing file. So what I'm going to start with is I'll start with creating this overall shape right here. And the diameter of these circles are 1 inch right here. Okay, and we know that the overall length from center point to center point is 1.5, and from edge to edge is 0.5. So what we're going to do is I'm going to grab my circle tool. I'm going to start right in the middle here, and I'm going to make this 1 inch. I'm going to grab my line tool, and again, there's a bunch of different ways you could do this. If we click here, I don't think that's going to lock on, and it's not going to. So I'll just kind of start in the middle. We know that the radius is 0.5, looks good. We know that from edge to edge, or center point to center point, is 1.5 inches. And then I'm going to go down 1 inch. I'm going to go over, kind of just connect the dots. And now I have like this center square shape. I'm going to go back, grab my circle tool. I'm going to line it right there. It should snap right in place. And I can actually just kind of drag it up here. And now I have this shape as well. One more thing that we can do, we can actually just draw this little circle as well and not extrude that. Again, like I've said, there's a bunch of different correct ways to make this shape. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a circle. We're going to do 0.5. And now when we do our extrusion, what we can do is we can actually choose the areas that we would like, just like that. And the overall height of this first layer is 0.5 inches. So there is our first part. So now what we need to do is we need to create this top portion. Again, this goes up 0.5 inches since we know this is 0.5 and the overall height is 1 inch. We can see that this hole goes all the way through the middle. So what we're going to do is let's create a sketch on our top face. I'm going to grab my circle tool and I'm just going to draw another 1 inch circle. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to come and I am going to extrude this part right here. We'll say 0.5 inches. And lastly, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a sketch on this top face. I'm going to grab my circle. I'm going to create a 0.5 inch circle. Let's kind of rotate this around. Let's do extrude. And I'm just going to click on this top part and I'll say remove. It is only 1 inch thick, so that should go all the way through. It does. We'll say okie dokie. And let's take a look at this. That is beautiful. So that is how you complete intro part number 2.